Hi friends, Paula with Motor Truck Center, and today, thank you for joining me inside of a commercial truck, box truck. So today I want to explain to you this promotion that I've been having and that's brought a lot of calls, and so I really want to take a few minutes to express to you what is going on. Okay, so this is a lease to own, so it's a capital lease. And what you're going to see is we have a term of 72 months, and that gives us the payment here of $13.99 plus taxes, depending on where you live. This 72-month lease has a startup. The startup is going to cover your first month, your last month, your registration. So that number can be whatever it is we want it to be. In this case, for this payment, it's $9,000. You're going to make that payment plus taxes for 72 months, and then at the end of that, you have a residual. That is the amount you have to pay. Now, how do you qualify for one of those? So this is going to be for the folks who have been in business or can have been in the industry showing experience for 4 to 5 years experience, whether it's been in your business or working for someone else. Because we are taking this to a 70-month term, we really want to take a look at how many miles you're doing. So in my opinion, and I've been doing this for 22 years, guys, you can go to 7 years if you are doing somewhere between 35 and 50,000 miles. The intent is that you have a vehicle at the end of 6 years. So if, let's say, your vehicle has 250,000 miles, is that vehicle, a 7-year-old vehicle with 250,000 miles or 300,000, is that vehicle going to be worth the $32,000 residual? Now, the Hino L6 model year, this vehicle right here has a life expectancy on this engine of about 500,000 miles. So yes, it does. However, you don't want to get to a lease to where you owe more than the vehicle could be easy to finance. And then what you're going to do is, if you have good credit and been making your payments on time, if we can go ahead and finance that extra residual, at $32,000 for an extra year, and that makes it the 7th year payment. And so you're going to have a couple of different tax incentives there. You're going to have the lease incentives for the first 6 years, and then you're going to have a capital purchase at the tail end of that. What if you use more miles than that? That's easy. Shorten that term to a 5-year lease to a 4-year lease. You have the same tax incentives and you have a residual that's in there. And in my opinion, if you have a fleet of more vehicles, then what you do is you keep this vehicle then in your short runs instead of your long runs. We will partner this vehicle up with a warranty to match that same term. So if you're going to go 250,000 miles and we're going to go to a 6-year, that's the kind of extended warranty that we want to do. You are responsible for all of the maintenance on this vehicle, but we want to make sure that there is no catastrophic failure during that term of that lease. So that is how you qualify. If you have further questions or you want to talk to me about your specific application, below there will be my contact information, 408-655-8889. Give us a call, and then please share and like to receive more information on leasing. Thank you.